So I come here to another travel day from Hanoi, Vietnam. Today we're gonna visit the Train Street. Yeah, we want to drink a coffee and waiting for the train. Yeah, later I give you more informations also about times when the train is coming.
Yeah.
High society here, black t-shirt, and here always stylish as fuck. So we are now here at the Train Street, but we missed the train at 5:30, so we come back in 2 hours. Yes, keep you updated later. It's so hot outside, we just make a break here in a random coffee, and it's super fancy. We have here some books for Novi. She started already the reading session. She's my new teacher here. We just ordered one latte and one matcha latte for 110 dong. That's around €3.50. So guys, let's read a book here. I can learn some Vietnamese here. Okay, let's start. Ho lo tha roi, ho tao dang, to nol va to pla.
Duong blo tonol, van ban pien ting so danang.
Danang, that's good. So you can walk here easily in the middle. We are now waiting for the train. Have my Novi get her famous, her favorite picture here and video. She already waiting 2 weeks now. Oh baby, what year is the Train Street built?
It's in 1902.
Yeah, it's built. You find here many bars, restaurants and small coffee shops. Yeah, and also when the train is coming, the owners moving the tables and the chairs quickly, and the train just drive here centimeters away from you. And this street start for the local workers here. So it was a neighborhood for railway workers, and now it's such a fancy place here. Yes, you see by yourself, right? So guys, will you drink a coffee just centimeters away from a railway? So now they prepare, the train will come soon. Now all small chairs and desks are gone. And here I mentioned the train times when they are coming by weekdays and on weekends. Wow, the train is coming! You hear it? Beef steak with French fries, both, and we are here in a side street at the Ban Kun Kai Dong restaurant. Azayang, what did you get? Steak?
Turns out it's
Steak, not stick. Steak with fries, and what's this one here?
Dani.
Bread. And this one iced tea.
Iced tea.
Okay, all of this for 180 dong. So we end up here in a small museum. The name is Hang Buom Culture and Arts Museum. Here you have some fancy dresses. I think you can wear all these dresses on a model show somewhere in Paris or Milano. But they have also some art, some living, art for living. The entrance to this museum is just 20,000 dong, so this is around 70 cents. This one here is my favorite room. You can learn something about Vietnamese architecture here. And here we have an old stone. I have no idea, it looks like Vietnamese war or something. So then we follow it up here. Here, oh, I don't know what this is. It's a little bit like an old jail or some abstract art. What is this one really? Actually, I think this is Hanoi, how it looks many years ago. Here's the river, yeah. Look, you see here the river. The Ko Hoam river.
Hoan Kim Lake.
Yeah. So follow me to the next room. Come.
Let's go.
Here we go. Here you have a Chinese door, looks like Chinese. And here you have some fishes. Another abstract light show here. There's a horse and another temple. So that's it. And here the best one is coming. You have here another cover. This one here is for all the women around the world. Some fancy dresses.
Fashion watch, fashion show. It's so long!
So just finished for 20,000 dong. Can't complain. It was a good deal. So yeah, we are now back in the crazy streets. Actually here it's still good. The closer you come to the lake, the more crazy it is. Almost die every day here.